So here's tool number 2, 4-4-4 breathing technique. We're going to breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and breathe out for 4 counts. Now do it with me. Breathing, hold, and breathe out. Do this at least 3 to 5 times, and you will come back to your body, come back to the present. You can't control when anxiety shows up next, but you can control how you respond to it. So what's in your control? You can control how you respond. You can control how you bring yourself back to your body, and you can control using the tools that work. You can't control the storm, but you can control how you weather it.